Here is exactly what to do while you're waiting for manifestation to manifest and how to make it manifest faster. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And yes, today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. And we're always flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. We believe that you deserve the money you desire, the love you crave, and the health and happiness that you are worthy to receive. So high flyers, we are excited. We're getting rave reviews and people are they're just excited about this little ebook that we've put together, and it's simply called Miracles, How to Attract Miracles into Your Life. It's absolutely free. So there's the address, it's in the description. Go get your free copy right now. You know, high flyers, sometimes it just seems like you write out an intention or you just think of an intention and boom, there it is. And you just go, wow, that's like instant. Instant manifestation. Then there are other times when you write out an intention and a month goes by, 2 months go by, and you're going, is this ever going to happen? And of course, it's when you are in that waiting period. I call it the danger period, because when you are waiting, you run the risk of allowing negative thinking and fear and doubt and worry to creep into the forefront of your thinking and destroy your manifestation. So, it'd be nice if it always happened instantly, but it doesn't. Sometimes the universe has to put other things, other people, other situations into place, and other times it's because we need to get to that point where we're ready to receive. So high flyers, I've been looking for this piece of technology security for a long time, and it's available, but people are waiting 6 months, 8 months, even a year to get it. Now, this piece of technology has a number of add-ons, a number of attachments that are available. Guess what I did? Rather than sit there and go, is it ever going to be available? Is it ever going to happen? Rather than do that, I bought all the add-ons, all the different attachments. And a friend of mine said, well, why are you doing that? You don't even have the main security unit. I said, it's coming. It's on its way. I think it's already in the truck. Guess what? When I said that, the next day they called me and they said, we happen to have the unit you've been looking for. I got it delivered, and that's how fast it can happen. But I don't think it would have happened that fast had I not taken inspired action and started moving forward. So high flyers, let's review how manifestation works, what I call conscious creation. In other words, you are consciously creating what you desire. Everything that I've manifested in my life in the last 10 years has come first with clear intentions. I knew exactly what I wanted. I knew how much I was willing to pay for it. And that isn't always money. That can mean personal sacrifice. But I knew that I was willing to pay the sacrifice, whether it was money or time or energy, to get exactly what I wanted. Number 2, absolute belief. When I say to myself, this is mine. This is what I am manifesting. This is happening in my life. I have absolute belief. As a matter of fact, my belief is so strong for my clients that sometimes we manifest in spite of their negativity because I believe strongly in their dreams and their goals. The third thing is focused vision. I always know in my mind what the wish fulfilled looks like, what it smells like, what it sounds like, what it tastes like, what it feels like. So when I set whether it's a small goal or a big goal, when I set a goal for something to manifest into my life, I have a clear vision of the wish fulfilled. Finally, I detach. I accept that it's happening. I accept that whatever I desire to manifest has already manifested. It's merely a matter of me getting into alignment and for the universe to move around some of the chess pieces so that everything can fall into place. It's that simple. Okay, high flyers. Rachel's giving me a tough time. She's just telling me how that I'm just too good of a manifester and that we're manifesting too much. There's never too much, is there? But we love manifesting together. We're manifesting this beautiful house filled with art, original art and or signed lithographs. So every room that you walk in this house, you're going to have an experience, an inner soul experience of art. Okay, that's one of our manifestations. So first, focus on the wish fulfilled, then let go. Know exactly what it is, see it in your mind, visualize it every day. Every day you see the wish fulfilled, then you get on with your life. You get busy, you get focused. Number 2, clean and declutter. There is nothing that will get in your way more than junk. Stuff you haven't used in years, stuff you will never use again, stuff you seldom use. Just get rid of the declutter. Did I say declutter? Get rid of the clutter and invoke the declutter. It's that simple. Look at, when you walk into a room, you want to feel the energy, the expanse of the room. You don't want that room to start piling in on you. Okay, and if you're manifesting, whether it's a relationship or money or a career, whatever it is, you want to have free and clear and open thinking. You don't want to be locked in clutter. Well, next, high flyers, I believe it's important to move your body every day, in every way. Look, you don't have to go to a gym. You don't have to exercise. You can go for a walk. You can dance. You can crank up the music and dance. I mean, whatever, you can vacuum yourself like Mrs. Doubtfire. Remember Mrs. Doubtfire? Whatever you want to do to get your body moving. But we are not just brains. We are not just heads with an attachment. We are bodies, body-mind. And so the body and the mind work better together when the body is in movement. You know, an object in motion tends to stay in motion. And motion is what you want. It's where you want to be because it keeps you active. It keeps you focused on being happy, on being alive, on being excited. And that makes manifestation so much easier. High flyers, I know, Look, I understand that I may have said this many times, but get a gratitude journal and keep it up. And listen, if you start out doing it every day, do it every day. You know, but if you say, I'm going to do this at least 3 days a week, then that's pretty easy, isn't it? But it's important to not only write in your gratitude journal on a regular basis, but to read it, reread it, and reread it over and over again. And write it in present tense. I am, we are, it is, I have, it feels. You see what I'm saying? Use present tense language. Now, here's something that will probably blow a few people's minds, but that's okay. Get busy manifesting something else. Let's say you're focusing on a relationship. Get busy focusing on manifesting that new car as well. Put your energy there, because sometimes when you just focus on one thing too intensely, it's like you become obsessive. And when you become obsessive, you become fearful and doubtful and worrisome. So manifest other things. Manifest a bouquet of flowers in your house. Manifest a clean house. Manifest a new car. Manifest a weekend vacation. Whatever it, little things. Manifest a parking spot. Whatever it is that you want to manifest, in addition to the main thing that you're waiting on, just do it. It's easy and it's fun, and you'll be manifesting. And the more you manifest, the more you receive. Well, high flyers, you don't need to really wait for anything. There's nothing to wait for. Just put yourself in alignment with what you desire to manifest. Meditate on the highest version of you. You'll love yourself better. You'll be happier every day. And you'll manifest so much easier and faster. Here's some other videos to help you on your journey. And thank you for subscribing and clicking the bell icon.